Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. Finally, I'm sharing with you guys the Graphic 45 kit that I've been talking about. The rest of it came in, and there's a couple other items that I'm going to share with you. I'm going to try and make this quick because we did already, I already did a preview of the main papers, and I'll try and remember to link it up here in the corner after the intro. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, I told you guys I was picking it up for an amazing project from and this is actually from Graphic 45. I didn't order it from any other company, but this is the kit. It is called the Catch of the Day Travel Folio Album and Passport Holder. It comes with everything. It comes with the chipboard, all the papers and embellishments necessary to make the kit. But because I want to, I'm going to change the design a little bit so that I can add more pages in there. And that was the purpose of me getting the extra set of pattern and solids and then the actual kit paper. But it's actually an absolutely stunning kit. I mean, you look at those color combinations on all the pages. And Graphic 45, I mean, you get a step-by-step instruction. And, you know, even after you use this all up, you can turn around and take a different paper collection and make more if you want to. So, I was just giving you a sneak peek of this. This comes when you order. This is the $50 kit. They have two kits. They do a $50 kit and then they do a $30 card kit. And the $50 kit, some of them are like extremely elaborate. Really, really elaborate. So they are, I really feel, even though this is a higher priced item, like I've told you guys, Graphic 45, I pick and choose because I don't like everything, but and I think you might actually be able to go to their website and pull up cut files. I'll be honest, I haven't checked, but I think I've heard that in the past, so it doesn't hurt to go check it out. It is just G45papers.com. So, anywho, so as I mentioned, the kit comes with everything. So we already did a preview of both this pad and the next one. If you're new to this one, like I'm saving time because it would be an extremely long video. So up here in the corner, I am going to put a link to the video where I actually shared these papers. And you see every single one of them. So this is the patterns and solids. This is basically the filler paper for the main collection, which is right here. And I'll bring this up close so you can actually see, you know, get an idea of the papers that are in this collection. And then go check it, like I said, go check out the other video. But y'all know, I'm a sucker for anything nautical. So here are all the chipboards that are necessary to, and it looks like it's a medium weight chipboard. But they provide everything. And I mean, the fact that it's cut out, that's a time saver in itself. So, there's that. And then, as with the other one, it only came with the ephemera assortment, where in the other purchase I showed you, there were I think the post and note cards, you know, the journaling cards, and I think there was something else I got. Oh, I got let me make sure I'm not missing it here. Christmas. I also got the chipboard ephemera with the other purchase. So that just means more decoration that I can add to this should I choose to do so. So that was why I was all excited about the Graphic 45 Catch of the Day. While I was there, I decided to go check out their clearance section, and a lot of y'all know Christmas is my jam. And so I had to snag this up. And this one's called Christmas Time. And it's like, I don't want to say it's really steampunk. I'm going to say it's more like Victorian Christmas. And we will take a stroll through these papers. And then I'll show you the embellishments I was able to pick up. The patterns and solids were sold out, so I wasn't able to get any of that. So, and they had a whole bunch of other ones, but again, they weren't collections that I would use. So, you know, I wasn't even messing with it. So remember, always keep your cover sheet, whether you use the cutout templates on the back, or, like I said, you can fussy cut out images on here if you're going to do a mini album, and it's extra decoration, you know, and you're just use it all, you know. So there's that. This is technically the first page you're looking up here. And then the back, remember we get two of these. The back of it is this checkerboard that kind of gives you a headache. So there's that one. This, I just want to wrap all the Christmas presents under my tree in this. Absolutely beautiful. I'm always a sucker for, you know, y'all know, traditional Christmas colors. There's that one. It wouldn't be Graphic 45 without some steampunk in it. So beautiful holly with gears and stuff interspersed. And then the back of it is just a green on green tone holly berries. And it looks like maybe some mistletoe, maybe? I think there's mistletoe in there as well. So that one. Then, of course, you got to have your cut apart pages. These are all awesome. You can cut it apart. You can use it as a whole page if you want. But then you've got the back, which I think is adorable. Too fun. And I guess it's time for Christmas. We got clocks everywhere. All the different Saint Nick's with his little steampunk goggles. Love that. Look, I call that the Monopoly car. Well, in the original ones, the Monopoly car looked more like that. So I love this one. Then we have this gorgeous page here. I think, is that supposed to be a partridge? It's either a partridge or a cardinal. I don't know. Anyway, Christmas trees. The awesome Christmas plaid. Gotta have that. And then we have the smaller cut aparts. You can do gift tags with them. You can use them, like you even have like for, to, from. So you can make gift tags. You can make journaling cards, embellishments on your, you know, your pages or your mini albums. Loving the reindeer. Absolutely loving the reindeer. So there's that one. And then the last set, we have gear ornaments, and they're kind of cute. I don't know how I feel about them. Not quite my color selection, but I actually like that better. So anywho, that is Christmas time. If you like this, I would actually run over there and get it, because this was the 2020 collection, and July is next month, so we know the new Christmas collections are going to be out. So wanted to, I'm going to leave that there. So then it came with two of the sticker sheets. We have Christmas tags. You have numbers down here if you want to number stuff. I don't know. Y'all know I don't do numbers very much. You got some nice trim tags. Got gears over here. So there's that. I was able to snag the chipboard elements that go to it. So you always got to love our little dimensional bits. Then they had, oh, this came in the set. This was extra, so I've got plenty of those now. So I ordered that. Then we have the die cut assortment. I'm just going to show this because y'all know we would just be here forever if I went through those on camera. But we will take a peek at the journaling and ephemera cards. Pop those out. So we have the cute Santas, season's greetings, 'tis the season, more space to journal on. Great, great journaling cards. That. Dear. So they all just have either season's greetings or just post or a place to write. I love Father Time. Gotta have the dirigible. I guess Rudolph didn't get there on time, huh? And I'd show you the big ones, but the big ones are just bigger versions of these little guys. So, but that's what I picked up. I don't have anything else coming from Graphic 45. The Colorado Craft Company, the Anita Jerem order, they sent me a shipping notice on the 1st, but it hasn't shipped. And then I have one Tonic Studios order out there, and then a tiny little, you know what, I'm just going to add it to this one. We're only at 11 minutes. Did I? Ooh, I bet I left it in my room. It's that manila envelope. I thought I brought it in here. Anywho, y'all remember I picked up this, it's called the Sunday Drive set. I got this at Hobby Lobby about a month or so ago, and I was telling you guys about the add-ons for it. They arrived, and so just this, you can do a cute happy birthday card with that. But the add-ons arrived today, and even my sister Jenny thinks they are adorable. So, right around the corner, 4th of July, the add-ons, you can do Uncle Sam and Lady Liberty driving away. Is that not amazing? So those are just the add-ons to embellish your car. And then this one's called the Sunday Sunset Drive. And so it looks like that. I love you. So kind of like your Valentine's. I believe there's actually a wedding one out there. So there's like the bride and the groom. But you could actually change this one up and make it look like a bride and groom if you wanted to. And then, y'all know when I do Halloween, I gotta really love it. Look. The little skeleton man and the witch. Hey, boo! So, and I had picked these up. Spellbinders was having a really amazing warehouse sale. And is it in here? I think I only ended up paying with shipping for the 3 of these. I think it was around $30 for all 3 of these. Because I think this was like $6. These might have been like, I don't know. I didn't pay much. This was fantastic. And this was already before I was like putting on the brakes. But y'all know I usually have tons of orders sitting out there in the queue. I'm serious. I have the Tonic order that hasn't shipped. And that was from last week. The Colorado Craft Company, which is Anita Jerem. Yay! Hasn't shipped. And that was over 2 weeks ago. Did I say anything else? I think I said that was all the craft that's all the craft that's out there, guys. I don't... Oh, and you know, and my Tonic Studios monthly craft kit. That's all that's coming right now. There's nothing else coming. So that just means I'll be buckling down with my sister, working as much as I can after work on getting this in order. So that y'all can see the crafts. So, anywho, oh, and like I told you, as soon as everything is functional, this is my very first project that I'm going to be doing. Is I'm going to be doing this travel folio kits, and I'm really excited about that. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great Monday night, a great, fantastic rest of your week. Like I said, be sure to, I'm going to put a link in the description, and hopefully you caught it earlier, to the actual every page in the Catch of the Day kit over here. I'll put the link and you can go check that out. But we would have been here another 45 minutes if we went through this again. So with that, I love you guys. Have a great night. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.